Aries, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 7th of March. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the person I do this video for. Now, please also note while I'm shuffling the cards, the tarot should always be used as a guide, so only take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. What I see for you is you have the 8 of Cups, the 9 of Cups and the 4 of Cups. Your person has the King of Cups, the Sun card and the 5 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Tower card. So yes, there could be some shaking up in this relationship that will happen, wherein either you or your person will go through some transformation as well, because anything which is built on faulty grounds, the Tower will come and hit so hard that you will have no option, but you'll have to rebuild. And this time around when you build, make sure that it is built on true facts. The relationship as such has to start on a very true foundation. Okay, the intention behind that relationship can't be faulty. If that's there, the Tower will keep hitting you. Now, what I see for you for this week is you have the 8 of Cups. So yes, there was definitely some heartbreak, or there was a situation where then you just walked away from some situation, and post you walked away, you are quite lazy. You are in the 9 of Cups energy where you have a lot of love, no doubt about that, for this person, but you are also in this lazy energy where you don't want to do anything. So if there was a situation where this person has done something, okay, you didn't like, you will walk away from that situation and you'll be very content. Okay, you'll not move from your position and you'll wait for them to go ahead and take the effort. I also see you have the 4 of Cups. With that energy, even when they offer you that cup of love, there is a very high chance that you will sound a little bored. That's how you'll behave, that you're just not interested in that particular cup. Now, your person shows as the King of Cups. This person has a lot of love for you. However, the problem with the King of Cups is they have this restriction or a limitation. You can say that they can't express it. Okay, as Aries, you normally love to live the world very loud. Okay, you love people who express emotions, but with this person the problem is that they cannot express. So both your love languages are different. Now, this person also has the Sun energy. So yes, there is a very positive energy that this person is carrying. However, I also see that there could be some interruption or an interference in this relationship from maybe an outsider, or somebody could try to fiddle with you or your thought process, or with your person's thought process. So just be a little careful about that. Now, let's take one card here to understand the intention of this person for you this week. Let's take one card. Spirit, help me with one card here, please. Let's take one card. Alright, the intention of this person is the 3 of Pentacles. Now, with the 3 of Pentacles, if you see, you have 3 people, okay? So, there are 2 scenarios here. One, it shows that there is a lot of teamwork that is required to build this relationship, but for very few of you, again, this could say that there is a third party involvement here, and that's why even if this outsider card had come out, there could be interference. Now, it is not necessary that it's always a love interest. It could be anybody, anybody who's trying to fiddle and interfere in this relationship becomes a third party. All right, now let's take one more card here to understand why we have this 3 of Pentacles. Spirit, help me with one more clarifying card. Help me with one more clarifying card, please. Alright, we have the Ace of Cups. Now, if you see, this person has a lot of love, okay? They have a lot of love with these 2 cups. Yes, they have a lot of love. They want to offer you that love, but this person is definitely struggling in expressing that to you. Let's take one more clarifying card. Spirit, help me with one more clarifying card. Why do we have this 3 of Pentacles and Ace of Cups here? Let's take one more card. Let's take one more, please. Alright, we have the Queen of Cups. Okay, so if you actually look at this entire deck, we have a lot of cups over here, okay, which means a lot of love that this person has, and this person is focused on this particular cup itself. Okay, they're not looking anywhere else. They are interested in this relationship. Maybe right now the situation is not correct, and they have to sort out a couple of things. Once that is done, they will go ahead and put in that effort towards this relationship. Let's take one card here now to see what is the message from archangels for you, and a crystal that can help you in the situation. So let's take one card. Alright, the crystal that I see for you for this week is tree agate. The crystal message is, are you a tree hugger or an activist? Take the time to sit beneath a tree and connect with the qualities of its firmly planted roots, its ability to flex and bend in a storm, and its amazing power of growth. Remember your roots, yet always remember how much you can grow to reach great heights. So that's the message from the crystal for you, and the message from Archangel Thuriel I'll put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all I have for you for this particular week, Aries. If you like the content of the video, like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and till next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.